welcome back to my channel for yet another cleaning video. Make sure if you like cleaning videos, you give this a thumbs up if you like it, and I will continue to make more of them. I'm going old school, starting back in my kitchen. I really do love starting here because, like I said, we spend most of our time in here anyway, so it's nice to have it clean.
Not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh.
I would say usually every other week I pull everything off of the counters and try to get everything wiped down underneath. I'm not sure if this is too often or not enough, but that's just what works for me.
These city lights are making me wanna be.
If any of you guys watching this use the Miss Myers brand, I do use them very frequently. Could you just comment down below your favorite fall scents? This is actually my first fall, I think, that I am going to be getting some fall scents, and I would love to know what you guys recommend.
Night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after
And usually while I'm cleaning, once I get an area cleaned, I do like to go ahead and light a candle to get it smelling. Not like cleaner and more like a candle. And this is going to be the pumpkin cupcake candle from Bath & Body Works.
Through the crowd, feeling alive. I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of
Yes, my living room usually always looks this way. If you're new to my channel, I do have baby twins. They are 7 months old, and so I have double the baby stuff all over the place. So the fact that I'm even picking this up right now is probably my first time of the day, but I usually have to straighten up this room 3 or 4 times every day.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
You'll notice that our coffee table is pretty dinged up around the edges, and I do want to buy new ones, but my plan is to not buy them until we get our new house after I graduate and Brian is back from deployment. So I know it looks a little dingy, but honestly it works and I'm not really worried about it. But I have gotten comments before, so honestly I'm not going to rush out and buy new ones when neither of us are going to live here soon. I'm still getting a lot of messages on Instagram about this vacuum. It is the Tenneco brand. I will link it down below for you guys. I got it on Amazon. It is very comparable to the Dyson ones, and it does come with 2 batteries, and so far I have no complaints. So I've said this before, but my husband actually does all of the laundry. He just thinks that he does it better, and I'm not going to argue with him. So he normally does it, but since the deployment is coming up soon, I don't want to go into shock whenever I have to do all the laundry by myself. So I've just been getting into a habit now so that I can just ease into this routine.
I wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
So tonight I am ending with my master bathroom, just getting the floors cleaned really quick. This can actually get pretty neglected if I'm not careful because we are obviously in here so frequently. So I just needed to get these floors cleaned really quick, and after I vacuumed, I just ran over it with my Swiffer. Again, I am obsessed with my Swiffer. I love it so much. It just makes everything a lot easier and faster. So I'm going to end this video here, obviously, at this scene. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up and let me know, and I will keep filming them for you guys. See you guys next time.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed.